Afternoon. Woo brother number one coming at you again. Peace and blessings. I'm gonna jump in this right away. This is from a conversation. As always, I ask, can I share it via the way I share it? And they agreed. And this is a couple now. I'm gonna start like this. Unplug. That's how I'm gonna start it. What you talking about, God? Well, sometimes you just need to go off the grid and get your soul right so that things can start to go right. All right? In this world we in today, full of algorithms, hashtags, and followers, we've lost sight of human connection. And because the human connection is becoming smaller and smaller, it's causing problems in the home. You can deny it if you want to. It's causing problems in the home. First step, put the phone down. I ain't telling you to cut it off. Hell, I ain't cutting mine off. I ain't telling you to get rid of it. Just put it down. Go off the grid for a minute. Just put it down for a minute. Enjoy the time you spend with others, your spouse, friends, family. We get too lost in the sauce of the phone, and it's causing a problem. Go off the grid. Time is the one thing you can never get back, so make it worth it, enjoying it with your loved one. I know I lost a lot of time, and I've been trying to make up for it every day, and you can't make up for it. So you gotta make the most and the best of now with your loved ones. Life is meant to be personally seen and experienced so you can create memories, not always through the phone. I know somebody gonna say, man, a photo worth 1,000 words. I know it is. Yes, it is. How about this though? Let me give you another twist on it. Yes, a photo is worth 1,000 words. What if you couldn't remember what made you taking a photo feel so special in the first place? Now that photo ain't worth 1,000 words no more. Dig that. And not only that, the number of likes on your Instagram and Facebook are nowhere equal to, how should I say, your worth as a person. You are so much more worth than a virtual thumbs up. The hell with a virtual thumbs up. You dig what I'm saying? Missed that. So young God, if you could drop the mathematics and the science on this one, what would it be? Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for just a few minutes, including you. That's woo, baby. Catch me at Fitted Snapback about 7 on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. If not like that, davidmaryjr.com. Woo, baby.